Hello everyone, today I'd like to share a news article that I read on News in Level. Today news is about Lego trying to make oil-free bricks. I will talk about three new faces, two faces, and one reason why I like this news. First, here are three new faces that I learned. The first phase is oil-based plastics. It means plastics made from oil. For example, many bottles and bags are made from oil-based plastics. And second phase is carbon emission. It's now phase. It means gas that go into the air and can harm the environment. For example, cars and factories can create a lot of carbon emissions. The third word is eco-friendly materials. It means materials that are better for nature. For example, some companies use eco-friendly materials in bags and those. Now let me share two facts from the news. The first fact is that Lego stopped using new eco-friendly material because it creates more carbon emission than current plastics. The second fact is that Lego still wants to make all of its toys with eco-friendly materials by 2032. However, it is difficult to find a material that is good for environment and as strong as the original plastics. Finally, I'd like to share why I like this news. I like this news because Lego is trying to protect the environment. Lego used to make wooden toys and later it became famous for plastic bricks. Now the company is looking for better material. If people can find a strong and eco-friendly material to replace plastics, it will be an important invention for the world. That's all for my news summary today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.